In this video, I am going to show you how to edit this amazing logo reveal animation in After Effects. So here we are in After Effects. Let's edit this template. So let's import our logo. Here is our logo. Drag and drop here, and you can add your logo in logo composition. Drag and drop your logo. Press S to adjust the scale size and delete this, and let me check. See, your logo is here. Let me adjust the position of the logo. Yes, looks perfect. Let's edit the text. Here, the text is successfully edited. You can change your text easily. If you want to change the logo colors, you can go to control setting, effects and controls. Here is a general color. Let me check which color is this. Yes, it's background color. So we can change the background color to something, yes, maybe looks good. And line shadow color, yes, line shadow color will be this one. Yes, so we can change into something like blue. Okay, here is stroke width. If we increase, the glow will be increased, so leave it. Number of segments, yes, this is stroke and this is glow value. Here is a text color. We can adjust the text color as well. I will leave it into white. Here is the text position and text scale. So all is good. Let me render this. Go to composition. I am going to render 1080p. Go to composition, add to render queue, hit render. It will take some time to render, then your intro will be ready.